What is going on, you guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. On today's video, well, as you guys saw, we have started testing out Greenstar by KCX, Koch-Chemie. So on today's video, guys, a lot of you guys said, hey, you need to try Greenstar. You need to try Greenstar. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing, is testing out how well does Greenstar perform as a pre-wash. So let's get started with today's video. So before we get started with the demonstrations, Greenstar is on the scale of a pH scale of 12.5. It's a universal cleaner. You can use this thing on interiors, exteriors, engines, tires, really everywhere, right? But in today's video, we're going to be strictly using it on different vehicles, and we're going to be testing it out. How well does it perform as a pre-wash? Okay, it does say on here for exteriors, engines, use a 1:5 to a 1:30 solution, depending on, I guess, how dirty it is. I don't know what a 1:5 and a 1:30. So yeah, you're probably gonna ding me on that one. So every time I see things like that it says 1:5, in my head it says 5:1. Like, I reverse it. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I don't know how to do that. But you know what? I think there might be an app for that. Hold on, let me go on the Koch-Chemie website and let me see if I find anything. See, custom and ratio says 1:5. Go. Sheesh. So 1:5, almost 6 ounces. Damn. Okay, let's try 1:30. Go. 1:30 is 1 ounce of product. How does this look? Damn. Not that bad. Okay, we're back. I've gone to the Koch-Chemie website. There is a dilution tool that you can input, and it'll tell you exactly how many ounces. So a 1:5 is almost 6 ounces of product into a 32 ounce, which is our foam cannon, and then 1:30 is 1 ounce of product, and the rest water. So for this, you know what, I'm just gonna stick with the 3 ounces of product, or no, you know what, let's do as this says. Okay, we don't want to be dinged with user error, so we're gonna go ahead and do 6 ounces of this product into a foam cannon and see how well it performs. Sheesh. That is definitely a lot. All right, you guys, so we're here. We're gonna be using this foam cannon, which, shout out to Galvan's Auto Detail, gave me this foam cannon a while back, and we're gonna be using this one here. It's called Rain Cover, I don't know, but it's this one. And shout out to my wife. She got me, I have been searching high and low for this one, and it is like sold out everywhere. And then yesterday she came home with this awesome gift. So shout out to my wife. Thank you for my gallon of Under Armour. I'm gonna be drinking a lot of water, or if not, I'm probably gonna be using to fill up some of my stuff. But all right, let's go. So in this shot glass here is 2 ounces of product. So we're gonna do literally 6 ounces of this product here as a pre-wash. I ain't gonna lie, that's a lot of product. That's 2, that's 4, 6. All right, that's 6 ounces. We're now gonna fill it up. All right, so for this first subject, we are gonna test it out on this Tesla. Overall, that's kind of how it looks. Has enough traffic film, a little bit of everything. Wheels and tires, obviously, they do look dirty. So we'll see how it does for our first subject. I will say this one is PPF'd, and it's also coated. But we haven't done like a major wash on it, so that's why we're gonna test out the Greenstar on it, see how much we can clean it up. All right, so at 6 ounces of product, we'll begin by saying it does foam up really well. It does foam up really well. It's nice. We got a van backing out. Has a nice foaming to it. We're gonna let the camera just kind of roll. I'm gonna do the other side real quick. And we have enough for, I would say, one more car. And gonna bring you guys in really quick so you guys can see how it looks. Has a nice cling. It really grabs onto the surface. All right. I do like that. It grabs on very well. We're roughly at about 30 seconds. The instructions doesn't truly say like how long to leave the product on there, so that is one of the things that I will say like I don't like about it, is it doesn't give me time frame, right? So I'm gonna give it maybe a couple more seconds, and we're gonna start rinse it off and see how it does. So I just wish a lot of these products would give you some like 2 minutes. Like I will say, Armor Detail Supply gives you that time frame, which I do like, so it gives you a good estimate. But anyways, could not be a big problem, but I know for myself, I like to see instructions like leave it on for this long, but it's okay. All right, let's rinse this sucker off. I want to show you guys the performance of G-Technics Halo, made strictly for PPF. We're gonna go ahead and blow dry it before I do the contact wash, just to show you guys how well it does or it doesn't do. So let's dry it first. All right, you guys, I have dried the Tesla, this side only, right? Obviously, it's still wet, but I really wanted to show you guys this side, since this is more where the sun is hitting it. And initial reactions, it actually did pretty good. I don't know if it'll showcase it very well, but if you saw, this whole side here was very dirty. Obviously, this is probably the most area that I see where it didn't clean, but that's about it. But in general, yeah, I'm taking off my sunglasses because I want to see. But in general, I would say it did very well. There's still some dirt here, but it did well. It did well. Subject number, all right, you guys, subject number 1 for the pre-wash is done. You're gonna see a clip of how the after looks. Obviously, the after is gonna look really nice, really clean, right? But for subject number one, well, we're done. Now, let's go to the next car. All right, you guys, so this is how it looks on a vehicle that is painted, no protection. I think it did really well as a pre-wash. Much better as far as removing a lot of that, all that stuff it had on there. It's still drying, but you can definitely see night and day difference on this truck as far as a pre-wash. So I'd say it passed the pre-wash test on paint. All right, you guys, to conclude this video and this series with Greenstar, which stay tuned, I'm gonna give you guys my honest feedback on this. We're gonna be using it on this Honda Civic Type R. It is ceramic coated, so I only have about 1 ounce of product in here. I don't want to make it too strong. The vehicle is not bad as well. I just want to get a majority of this just dirt off, right? So 1 ounce in this foam cannon. We're gonna see how well it does on a, I would say, fairly well maintained vehicle. But anyways, let's get this thing foamed up. Even at 1 ounce, it looks nice and foamy. So you can feel like if you like that foam, well, at 1 ounce, you should be just fine. All right, so I will say at 1 ounce, it definitely did really well on a very well-maintained exterior. So 1 ounce of product of Greenstar on something like this, I will honestly say it did really well. It wasn't that bad. So I can definitely see the cleaning power on this one that's coated. The coating is a bit flat. I don't know who did it. I didn't do the coating on this one. But we do say it definitely cleaned. It definitely cleaned. All right, let's give it a good foam bath. All right, you guys, this project is finally done. But my final thoughts when it comes to Koch-Chemie Greenstar as a pre-wash only, And again, this is just my input. After using it in multiple vehicles, I will say this product cleans. It cleans a car, right? Now, you will need 6 ounces of this product compared to 3 ounces to the other products that I have used. So for that, I will say you are going to go through a lot of product out of this right here. 6 ounces is a lot, but it did clean, so I will give it that. It definitely cleaned. Honestly, I don't like to talk about pricing. Obviously, you can find this one everywhere. Koch-Chemie has become a brand that a lot of detailers have trusted and used, right? So Greenstar, you can find it anywhere. I will say for the price, I will say it might be a bit expensive because you're gonna use a lot of this product, all right? Now, for this vehicle, I have used it at a 1 ounce dilution. And I will say for a vehicle that is very well maintained, that is not dirty, 1 ounce is gonna go far. It's gonna do really well. Time frame, as far as dwelling, I've left it on anywhere between 1 minute up to 3 minutes, kind of testing each time. And it's done really well with the cleaning power, right? It hasn't dried up, it hasn't done anything like that. Now, a question I did get asked was, you're using it out in the sun. That's so dangerous. I'll be honest, I've used this product in the sun, multiple vehicles. I have not seen any staining. So if you're worried about staining out in the outdoors, from my perspective, I haven't seen it do that, okay? Now, the cons of this product is it's multi-purpose, okay? So for the price, you're gonna get a multi-purpose product. You can use this for interiors, exteriors, engines, tires, wheels, you name it. This is a multi-purpose cleaner, a universal cleaner, right? So for that, I will say it doesn't hurt to grab a bottle of Greenstar, right? Because if you don't want to use it as a pre-wash, hey, that's okay. You can literally use this in multiple scenarios and your money's gonna go a long way, all right? But that is kind of my final input on it. Do I recommend it? Heck yes. Is this a product that I would consider in my arsenal to use? Most definitely. Why? Because it did the job, right? There's a lot of products out there, right? And I'm excited because as soon as I get some money, I'm gonna buy more, right? We're still on the mission. We're still looking for the best pre-wash out in the market. There is, in my opinion, no best, but I'm excited because I'm actually enjoying testing these out in real world scenarios. So is this a product I recommend? Most definitely. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of the transition of vehicles in different scenarios. Let me know, what did you guys think of Greenstar? Is this a product you use in the field? At the end of the day, hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. As always, God bless you, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video.